I love doing makeup under 5 minutes. The last video I did, I was working with my camera set up, trying to figure out which camera to use. So if you saw that last video and I said it was under 10 minutes, it was like a 20-minute video. And I think I got a little too chatty and I was trying to figure out how everything was working and I got doing things. But today, I promise you, I am gonna show you how to do your makeup under 5 minutes, a really natural, minimal makeup. Everything that I'm gonna use is gonna be in this one palette. This is the number 18, and we're not gonna start the clock until I start my makeup. So if you're ready, I'm gonna get going. And for this video, I am not gonna be layering on tons of makeup. I'm just gonna do a very natural, minimal look. So if you're expecting cakey, heavy, all that, you're not gonna get that here. This makeup is going to move my face. It's gonna let my skin breathe. It's gonna glow. And you're just gonna love how you look because you're gonna look like yourself, just better, like I said. So let's get started. Let's start the clock and we're gonna begin. I like to go in with my fingers. I've already moisturized my face, done my skincare, and this is just gonna brighten my face and minimize any redness and mess that I have. Well, not mess, I shouldn't say that, but I do have some spots. Like I just saw a little spot right there on my face, and I like to just minimize the things that bother me, which is the redness, and add a little brightness to my face. And I'm just gonna blend this, and sometimes blending can take the longest amount of time on your face. I find that I have a husband and 2 sons, and forever they're like, "Mom, let's go." And I'm always like, "But wait a minute, I need to do my makeup." So because of that, I have learned that spending less time is better, and I don't want to miss out on the fun. So I try to do my makeup quickly, but I do it quickly, but I'm not gonna sacrifice how I look by doing a quick makeup. I'm still gonna do all the things that I need to do, and it's still gonna come out looking gorgeous. And for this, I'm gonna do a little bit of contour and blend it up like this. And I probably should have put my hair back for this, but we're gonna go with it like this, as it is. And today I wanna show you that we also have cream eyeshadows. So I don't know if you know we have cream eyeshadows. You can use your contour as an eyeshadow. You can use your contour for lining your lips, for filling in your eyebrows. So there's a lot of multi-use products that are in your palette, which I love. I love the fact that you don't have to open and close a bunch of palettes and bottles and all the things when you're doing your makeup. And you know what? We're gonna take a second because my hair is doing a little bit too much in my face to make this easy. Okay, so that was my contour. I'm gonna go in with my Renaissance as my blush. And my last video that I just posted, I was talking about how I didn't like the previous camera I was using, so now I'm using another one, so hopefully the video is better and looks better. Now I'm gonna go in with, this is Everred on my lips. Oh, just be careful when you do your lips, because if it's a dark color like that, hold on, I have a little bit of a rag. And then for my eyes, we're almost done. I wanted to show you that I have powder eyeshadows, but I also have cream eyeshadows. And I love using the cream colors on my lid like this. They're gonna move a little bit because I have them stacked. So I'm just using the lightest shade from the Tear Duct Out. Then I'm gonna use this middle color to go on the outer corner like this. You could use a brush, you could use your finger. I'm just gonna use my finger for now because it's quick. And put it here. I just love that it is so convenient, so easy to do, and that's my eyeshadow. And then I'm gonna go in and do a little bit of brow wax. I've already activated my wax. Just gonna clean up my eyebrows like this. And I like to activate my brow wax, but I did it earlier, so that's why I don't need to do it now. And what it does is it just is gonna keep my eyebrows where I want them. I'm gonna take the same brush. I'm gonna take my contour and just go in and fill them in just a little bit. Like I said, just do something quick. Now you could use a brush if you want to do the cream eyeshadows, but I kind of like using my fingers sometimes. And that is my eyebrows. And like I said, I don't want to sacrifice how I look by being fast, but what I want to do is find the right colors for me. Now, what I could do is take a different brush, like the Smudge brush, like this. This is a Smudge brush. And let me show you, it's got this will focus on that, okay? And then on the other side, it's got a different shape. And what you could do is take just go in with the brush like this for your eyeshadow if you prefer. Just going into like that. And then you can blend what you did if you made sort of a mistake like that. And sometimes you need to do that. And you could take a smaller brush, like the Etch Brush, and go into the dark shade like this. Just create a little bit of eyeliner. Again, just something easy, quick. And like these are cream eyeshadows, so they're really easy to use and quick. But all the eyeshadows are actually the same as far as quick and stuff. But if you prefer a cream, there's that. And then let's do a little bit of mascara. I like using a eyelash curler like this. And like this. Now where's my mascara? And I'm almost done. So this is a good like everyday quick makeup that you can do if you want to run out and do errands. Maybe you're going to a casual dinner like we do. We go out and have wings or we'll have burgers or something, and I just want to look a little bit more pulled together. I don't want to do anything too major. And I love the flexibility of this makeup because, like I said, everything you have is in one palette, and it makes it so convenient for traveling. You know what I want to do is, where's that brush again? What did I just do that here? I feel like this side, it needs to be blended a little bit more. Sometimes when you use your finger. And then let's use some of this Illuminator. Put it up here for a little sheen. Now you could use this, or you could use feather blotting dust. Put a little bit like this. And I'm almost done. And the last thing I'm gonna do is you could take some of this feather blotting dust, go in like this. These are all extra things. Just add a little here, like that. And I am gonna use my chai lip oil on top. This is a new product we just came out with, and as you can see, it's really pretty. It does have a little bit of scent, but it's really pretty and sheer. And that is my under 5-minute makeup. So easy, so simple, and everything that I used is in this one palette. You can customize it to however you like. I have my face all up here. I have my brightener, my color corrector, my main shade. I didn't even use this color today. Contour, I have a bronzer that I didn't use, an illuminator. I have 3 lip and cheeks. I like to have options, so I like to have the 3 colors. And then down here, you have eyeshadows. I've got my feather blotting dust. I've got a little cleaner for my eyeshadow brush. I've got a balm, a suede lip liner, and a brow wax. And you can have as much or as many things as you want in your palette. And the greatest thing is that the items just pop in like that. Oh, pop in and pop out, and they don't fall out and they don't break. They can go right through the TSA. So if you want to travel, this makes life so much easier. All you do is grab your brush, grab your brushes like this, grab your mascara, and put this in a little pouch with your palette, and off you go. So if you like that, please let me know. Leave a comment below what you thought of this video. If you have any questions, or are there any videos that you would like to see, I would love to hear from you. So please leave a message or a comment below. And if you would like your own one palette, quick, easy, matte, minimal makeup, I will link below a color match form, which means that I help match the colors to your skin tone so that you get the right colors for you. So I will link a color match form down below that's free, and I just do them when they come in, and then I get it back to you within 24, 48 hours, and it's really, really easy. You do have to submit a picture so that I can see your skin, and just follow directions, and it's not a problem at all. And if you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. It helps other people find this channel, and you'll get notified when new videos come up. So thank you so much for being here with me. I look forward to seeing you next time.